Hey there, good morning or good evening, whatever it is. I'm back with a new video in which I'm gonna show you how to do practice using pen tool or how to remove the background using pen tool in Adobe Photoshop. Well, in this video I'm just gonna show you a little bit curves, angles, handles, everything about the pen tool. In today's video we are gonna play with the path, not a shape. In last video we played with the shapes, but now we are gonna play with the path. So enjoy the video and do practice as much as you can do on pen tool so that you can be a perfect in pen tool. I hope you learn a lot of things from previous video, even a website which I mentioned in a description, so that you can do online practice. And in this video I'm sure you'll do practice again on any kind of picture. You'll remove the background. So enjoy the video, see you at the end.
Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics.
To use the pen tool, click on this icon, or you can also press the shortcut that is P. Now if you wanna change the background or cut the background of any picture, then make sure you select the path. If you select the shape, then it will make a new layer, and if you select the path, then it will select that particular area where you are clicking. Let's say I selected the path and select the layer 2. Now I'm gonna select the background so that I can remove the background easily. So for that, simply make a first point, then zoom it, then click on a second point. In this picture you will learn how to play with different kind of handles, angles, or how to make organic shapes. For now I'm gonna select here so that I can make another point with the curve. So simply click and hold the mouse button, then play with the curves. Move the mouse to the another side where we are going to make a curve. Play with, make a small parts, make a small points so that you can cut a perfect background. Now this curve is selected and we need to remove this handle. So for that I'll simply press hold or option button, then click on the particular point. Now it will remove this angle so that we can proceed further. This is how you need to play with the little points, little angles or handles. This now again need to remove this one. Always try to make smooth edges or smooth angles so that perfect background can be removed. Let me speed up this art. This is just for a practice tutorial. In next tutorial we are gonna learn about the curvature pen tool, which is an amazing tool, and that tool will definitely save your time. There is nothing much in pen tool except one thing, that is practice. Pen tool is completely depends on your practice. As much as practice you are doing, and you will learn the pen tool. Different techniques, practice. With practice you may save a lot of time. With the pen tool you may cut the perfect background.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease.
Now the background is almost selected. Now we need to close this path so that we can select the background. So for that we may draw random lines outside the canvas. Now our background is selected. You can find our path is closed. Let me zoom it. Our path is closed, our background is selected. Now there is one thing, you can click on this path icon. In this path section you can select this particular area by pressing command or a control if you are a Windows user. Let's see this one, like this one. Now our background is selected. Again we can use the layer mask for this one, but there is one more thing. If you don't want to press command or a alt key, then you can right click by using the pen tool and click on a make selection. Then it will convert this path, it will convert these points into selection, or you can define it as a custom shape. That's it. This is our custom shape. So for selection, just right click and make a selection of this one. Feather radius is 1 pixel, that's enough. Anti-aliased things, and don't forget to click on anti-aliased. If you check this one, then it will make the edges smoother. How do we select new layer, new selection? Now with the using of pen tool, we select this particular object. Again, you can, by pressing any selection tool, you can select and mask, or if you have a perfect selection, then you can simply click on this mask button. It will add a layer mask for you. And if your main object is selected, then you can press Alt or Option, then click on the layer mask. Either this is a way, or you can simply click on a layer mask. Now you can find our opposite layer is our object is hidden and our background is shown. So for solving that issue, just Command or a Control plus I. It will convert that particular mask. That's how you can select the object. That's how you can remove the background of any picture using the pen tool. Okay, this is it about the pen tool. At initial stage, don't forget to take baby steps. After that, you can run with the pen tool. So this is my suggestion for today's video, and this is my point of view for this video. So again, see you in next video, in which I'm gonna show you how to use curvature pen tool, which is the most easiest tool in the pen tool. By using that tool, you can save your a lot of time. So but before watching the future video, please watch all the pen tool videos. So till then, take care of yourself. See you next video. Thank you so much for watching this complete tutorial. Take care. Bye.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that.